Alright, so tonight is a drift time attack practice at Adams, and me and Alex are going. Danny couldn't make it, so we're just gonna go there, have a good time. And I'm actually not driving the Cheeto up for once. I'm driving my M3 sedan, which is really nice because this car is much nicer to drive on the road and it has tunes. The Cheeto doesn't, so Alex is driving the Cheeto up. So this is like probably the first time I've ever seen the Cheeto out in the wild, because usually I'm the one driving it. So it's nice to see. How was that drive up?
Woo.
Rough?
Woo.
My goal for you today is throttle commitment.
My goal for myself is to successfully drift turn 3, and if I'm feeling up to it, maybe turn 2, attempt maybe.
I'm telling you now, turn 3 is weird with the diff ratio we have, so just be prepared for some.
Well, even then, turn 4. You know,
yeah, that's fair.
The new turn for me. Optimistic as well. I like it. But I'm about it.
That was way sloppy. Alright, I'm warming up. That was sloppy, dude. I can't get it today. Much sauce.
All the sauce, bro.
Transition way too early. That was sweaty, bro. I don't know where that came from.
That was so deep, bro. I don't think you've ever taken it that deep, man.
That was
I thought we were about to hit the dirt on the side. I was like looking and I was like, oh shit, alright, okay. Oh, okay, baby!
Oh god! That was buried for like 6 seconds straight.
Yeah,
that's insane.
On the turn 2?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, you got
I'm almost positive I tire tapped it. And I definitely went one wheel on that freaking berm up there.
Yeah.
That was hilarious. going to the handbrake entry. To figure that transition out. That's what it is. To figure out how to set it up to come screaming out, because I can hit that corner. Just getting that transition right. That kind of worked. I know, right?
So cold right now, man.
You're almost up though.
I know, man.
You're gonna commit with some more throttle this time?
Yeah, hopefully.
I did alright. I was kind of super sloppy today. I don't know what that's about. Just trying to send it, I guess. But I started going for handbrake entries on the second corner on the last few runs, and it just turned out total garbage. So I still gotta figure that out. It's not even like drifting it that gets me. It's the transition from handbrake into drifting that I didn't. I kind of got it on the last one, but I like entered too early, so I kind of screwed it all up. But just practice.
Some more seat time.
Yeah.
What I need.
No, that's literally like the first time I've ever tried to do that. So
Some more time.
is what it is.
More practice.
I was getting freaking sweaty though, dude.
Let it marinate a little bit, you know?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because if I can get if I can get like a 3-second drag into that, it would be freaking perfect, dude. It'd be sexy. Bury that thing. After you release it and catch it, bury it. Go narrow. If you're gonna try this one, go narrow. Go to handbrake right here? Yeah, perfect. I'll try it. Yeah, as soon as it comes in, just take it really narrow because you're gonna swing out wide. Okay. Believe in you. Hell yeah. Yeah, this one's one of those, when you clutch kick it, just stay in it. Don't back off at all. As soon as you clutch kick it, just stay in it. For that corner. Because as soon as you let off gas, you're done. Yeah. You know? But that was middle that first corner. Did you see how it like stayed out way better? Yeah, that was nice. It was just consistent. Yeah, dude, once you get the initiation point right, as far as, because you went way narrow on that one, like the front tire was probably on the rumble strike. Yeah, dude, as soon as you figure out like width-wise where to initiate, once you catch it and you just bury it, it rewards you, dude. It pays dividends on that corner. Yeah. You know what I mean? Because that's one you can stay flat through pretty much the whole way, and it's freaking...
Yeah, I started to let out again, but I was like, nope, just bury.
Yeah,
bury.
Yeah, you know, I noticed that, and I was like, watch, he's gonna keep it in, and he kept it in, and it was freaking... That was the best slide you've ever done here, my guy.
Yeah, bro.
Yee.
Yeah, bro.
Yee.
Floppy, but
you're still going super narrow. Yeah. And you gotta turn in harder and you gotta come in slower. Okay. You're coming in too fast.
Yeah, I'm like down 50.
Yeah, you gotta come in before the power band. Just leave it in second gear the whole track. Don't shift up to third. Okay. So they ended up closing the drift session a little early tonight, which kind of sucks. Alex only got like 3 laps in, but
it really sucks.
Yeah.
I'm pretty pissed.
They got some new guy running the events now. He's
oh, garbage.
Not very good at time management, so.
Yeah, they make timers on your phones now, man. It's pretty cool.
Games.
Paid for an hour, got 20 minutes.
Yay.
It was so fun though.
Aside from that, it was a good time. I was just super sloppy all day. Trying to get those handbrakes in, which didn't really work out very well, so I gotta work on that. But aside from that, it was a good time. Alex finally got a freaking schwanking back-to-back drift.
1 out of 3.
It was a solid one, though.
It was a good one.
It was a solid one. Feels good. We're getting there. We're getting there with you, bro. Work our way up.
One day.
Maybe if I have more than 3 sessions, I can, you know, actually get a good drift in, but it's the life I'll live.
All right, I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're